Hello St Martins, Mrs Chapman here. Really missing you guys. Can't wait to see you all again. And I've heard such fantastic stories of how well you're doing. So well done you. We're proud of you. I've got something else that you might like to use at home. Some of you would have heard of it, some of you wouldn't. It's Clicker 7 and you can use it on a laptop, and it's a really good way of helping you when you're doing your writing because it can help you form sentences and it can read things back to you. And some of you will have used it in school. So I'm going to send it to your parents via text or parent mail, and it's Clicker 7 serial number, and the serial number is there. So write this down if you'd like to, all along here, but don't worry too much about writing it down because I am going to send it to your mum or dad or whoever looks after you at home so that they can access it. So once you've got this number, you can only do it on a laptop, so it won't work on a phone or a tablet, it'll only work on a laptop. And if you download Clicker 7, so just Google it, Clicker 7 download, and put in this serial number, and then you can use it. And Miss Cormack, she's done an instructional video for you, so she's going to put it on after this video. So good luck, have fun with it, it's really cool. And if you've got any issues, give us a call after half term and we can try and help you with it. All right, happy writing, bye.
So once you've downloaded Clicker, you should find it on the laptop and you can open it. This should take about a minute to open. So I have a blank document now and I can start typing. So open Clicker and this will be a blank document. So there's a few things as well that will help with spelling and sentences. There's a keypad here, it's this green button at the bottom directly under the writing. Click on that and it will give you this keypad to help see the letters and suggested words. So,
open Clicker and this will be a blank document.
So as you've just seen as well, it will read things aloud. If you click here, you can also click this speaker symbol right at the top.
Open Clicker and this will be a blank document.
And that will read what you've just written aloud. So this will be helped with predictive sentences. You can say, the woman was standing there. It will make predictive sentences that will help construct sentences. So once you've done your work, you can print it here, or you can save document or save document as you go. So if we've seen, the keypad will help create predictive sentences, and here, if you have a spelling mistake, you can click on the word and you know from how it's read out to you that it doesn't sound quite right, and it will also give you suggested words at the bottom here. So that will help with spelling and it will help with sounding the word out. So just like a Word document, you can also change the style and font of your writing. So I could put it into italics and put it in the middle to change the style of your writing.